Good morning, good morning. Ayan na. Hello, hello. Kape, ante. Kape. Basta ang rito. Hot coffee?
Sige, ate, wait.
Okay, thank you. Ayan ang morning routine natin. Last day na natin dito sa Singapore. Bali yung flight natin mamayang gabi pa. Kaya chill na lang. Breakfast. Kuya, kape. Kasya ba yan?
Marami kang barya.
Black coffee please.
Black coffee.
Yeah, hot coffee. Let's eat. Nakabukas na. Yung towel, no? Sampayan nila. Sampayan ng mga gamit. Diretso na airport. Jewel ulit, tatambay. I-meet up daw natin yung yung pinsan ni Myring. Si Insan Erod. Daming tao. Nasaan na siya? Payag yun. Tangkad. Wala kayo tiktok. Dragon fruit. Jollibee.
Say goodbye to Jua. Hindi pa tayong terminal po.
25 ka? Walang pila. Yung flight natin 5J806 Singapore to Manila, gate G5. Linis oh. Restroom. Refund. Kailangan na. Terminal 4. Ayan, nakapag-check-in na tayo. Hintayin na lang natin yung boarding natin. Alas 6 pa. 4:30 pa lang. Pagluhan pa, di ba ba? Oh. Bye-bye. Yeah, like that. You put it flat, you want it flat like that. Duty free. Yan, nandito na tayo sa sa pagkatapos ng ano ba yan? Custom ba? Ayan, mamahaling inuman. Chivas Regal. Wow, ang ganda naman na ito. Ano ito?
Coconut.
Anong kalukuhan ito? TWT. Oh, tsaa. Puro tsaa, grabe. Ay,
Yan ba?
Ano?
Mukhang ito yun na.
Ayun nga yata yun. Libot nga tayo, libot. 407. Grabe. Baro bag. Yung batcha coffee. Ayan, sikat. Parang maraming kainan dito eh. Oh. Hello. 40. Uy, kulang. Ay, hindi, sandali. Ayun, 990. Yes! Success. Hindi, okay na yan. 10 cents ang hindi, para magamit lahat yung coins. Yeah. Ayos yan. Yeah.
Ano yan?
Katas ng mga coins. Natira-tira.
Ano yan?
Cutlet daw.
Cutlet?
Wow!
Diba? Kalain mo yun? Hindi. Siganda yun na lang.
Sa mga nalipas ko. Ano bang kay Trevor?
Let's eat dinner na, no? Before we get into the plane. Sarap yung pagkain ng Singaporean or yung mga pagkain dito. Kaso nakakamiss pa rin tayong Pilipino. Mas masarap pa rin yung sinigang. Chicken curry with fragrant rice.
You had a card?
Iba to. Biruin mo yung ano nila, yung restroom nila, meron siyang ano, meron kang choice ng western toilet saka yung Indian toilet. Kuala Lumpur. Saan yung mga bata?
Binubulong pa nga si boss eh.
Ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of a red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments or
Nakakapanood din.
Put your own mask
Dahil
on.
ako, huwag masyado yung may ano.
Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with
Welcome back to the Philippines. Oh, saan tayo pupunta? Transfer tayo na. Wala ba yan? Part and flight. Ayan, nalato na tayo rito sa Manila galing Singapore. Ayan naman. At marami tayong gamit. Mag-iwan tayo dun sa sasakyan. Punta tayo rin dito. Kulang pa yung Singapore.
Puerto muna.
Ay, Puerto muna.
Puerto muna.
Puerto. Ay, katapos ng Singapore, ano daw, Palawan. Sunod. Mamaya't maya, alas 5. 12 a.m. ha. Good morning everybody. Time check, 1 o'clock a.m. Mamaya't maya, mayroon ulit tayo ng flight ng 5:30. Balik tayo sa ano, no? Terminal.
Boss, may 10 kayo, boss?
10.